Good morning friends. Today I am going to show you how you can download TikTok video without watermark. Friends, if you want to download any type of TikTok video, you need to install these two apps from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. As I am an Android user, I want to share these tricks with you how to download TikTok video without watermark. Friends, to download TikTok video, you must go to your Google Play Store and click on it. After that, go to search option and write here TikTok. Friends, you can see that I have already installed these apps from Google Play Store. Go to read more option and you can see this app is latest apps and it is updated last 20 May 2019, and this app is very popular among 500 million people. Friends, if you want to telecast you with short video like fun, comedy, emotional, educational and others, you must use this app to create short video and present you on social network. Friends, I think you are a TikTok user and you find how to download TikTok video without watermarks on YouTube and other site. Friends, so that I share these tricks with you, you can see that I have already installed TikTok. Friends, if you want to download TikTok video without watermark, you need to install others app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Go to your Google Play Store on search option and write video downloader for TikTok. Friends, you can see I write video downloader from TikTok and you can see the first app is here, video downloader for TikTok. I have already installed this app also, and friends, you can see this app is very popular among 1 million users. And friends, the way to download from TikTok video is here. How to use? What you have to do is on open app on your phone, copy URL of video you want to download. TikTok video downloader will automatically downloading that video with watermark. Also, you can paste link and download videos. After you can watch, share and delete that video. Multi downloading is supported. It makes downloading more convenient. Also, you can share them back on social networks or just keep them on your device. And the fun fact is that everything is totally free with 5+ language support. Very easy to use. Friends, I think you can realize and understand how to download TikTok video by this text. But I want to share the tricks practically. Go to video downloader for TikTok and open it. Friends, you can see the interface here, and here is some option for you. First, you can see no watermark, auto download, copy link and download video. If you want to copy link and download video, you need to select red option, or if you want to download automatically, you must enable switch on to autosave. Friends, I like to download TikTok video automatically, and so that I enable this option. And now go to your TikTok and log in with your TikTok account. I already log in with my TikTok account. Friends, drag down of your mobile screen and select your target video you want to download. After selecting your target video, go to share option from the video. Share option is here. Click on it and you can find so many sharing option from here. If you want to share this video link directly with watermark, you can share the video from here to message, Snapchat, Instagram stories, Facebook, Viber, SMS, Twitter, Messenger, email and other social media with watermark. But as I want to share the tricks how to download TikTok video without watermark, so friends, select copy link and click on it. You can see link is copied. If you want to download another video from TikTok, drag down of your screen and select the video you want to download. Now go to share option and click on copy link. You can see link is copied. Now it's time to check your notification bar whether the video is downloading or not. Check notification bar and you can see the video has been downloaded. Now it's time to check the target apps which I installed for download TikTok video without watermark. Now go to your target app from your screen. You can see video downloader apps is here, and now check download option from the bottom left corner. This is download option. Now click on it and you can see the video I already downloaded from TikTok is here. Now it's time to open a video whether the video has been downloaded with watermark or without watermark. Check this video and friends, you can see that there is no watermark in the video. If you want to share this video with your social media without watermark, this trick is very helpful for you, and this video will automatically save on your device by a playlist. You can check your device video player. I want to share these tricks with you. Here is Max Player, and you can see TikTok video downloader folder is here, and click on it and you can see the video which I downloaded from TikTok. It's appear here and there is no watermark on the video. So friends, I think this trick is very helpful for you. If you think this tricks is very easy and simple, please like my video, comments on it, share this video and do a subscribe on my channel.